Hey guys, happy May 4th, 2024. Just got back from picking this up. We have an auction company locally that sells all kinds of crazy stuff on a year-round basis, and I check them out because you never know what you're going to find. It's an online auction. You bid online, then you go pick up and pay for it. So I feel pretty comfortable using them because you're not paying online. So long story short, this is the Otto Candy. It's the Western Chief, made right around 1902. $66 with the base. Almost didn't buy it, but then I thought, you know what, I did a little research and they're selling them for $300-400 without the base in really nice condition. This one is not. This one's had a rough life. The handle is broken. They did advertise that, but we're going to we're gonna fix that. And probably the worst part, well, without a doubt, the worst part is that the housing is broken off of the base piece here, and this must have happened early in its life. I can tell by the hardware that they used to jerry-rig this together. But we're going to take this apart and I'm going to fix that. It spins nice, the handle side spins, and really the only other issue that it's got is the oil fill is missing. You're supposed to keep this chamber filled with oil, and yeah, it should windmill like crazy. But I'm gonna get it inside, start pulling it apart, and get it fixed up. So I got it apart. Wasn't too bad. But this I need to fix. So I believe, looking at the grain, it's a cast iron. And I've done some welding and brazing, but I'm not super knowledgeable in that as to what is the best for cast iron, exactly what rod to use. So I'm looking for a little help from anybody who's a welder out there that may come across this video. It's heavy. This whole assembly is pretty heavy. I'm gonna say it's probably around 40 pounds. And then, of course, the force of cranking it. And this is the only thing that supports the entire weight and, you know, the strain of cranking this blower. So, yeah, I guess what I'm asking for is some advice on brazing, welding. I only have a set of gas torches and stick welder. So I'd like some advice, not to be a broken record, but probably just going to start cleaning things up for now, and hopefully somebody will reply so I can keep this ball rolling. But yeah, thanks guys. Please leave a comment if you can help me out, and we'll talk soon. Take care.